prototype program at 3 o'clock. Got a meeting at 4 o'clock, walking over to the public library to our rented, they have these little rooms that you can put dibs on for studying and stuff, and I use them as a meeting space to hold my teleconferences or to meet with people. So it's almost like a mobile office. But 4 o'clock, we got a meeting with the founder of Kayak and Travelocity. So super excited about that. We think he's got a lot of great insight and guidance and counsel to bring to the table to talk about ADHERE and its trajectory and what our plans are. So we're really excited about this meeting. You know, we've worked a year and a half to get to a point like this where we'd be prepared and have the knowledge and the backing for a meeting like this, and to be able to really pitch what the business is. So yeah, you know, we think it's going to be a win-win across the board. You know, I think the conversation is going to be great. So it's exciting. So with that, we'll give you guys an update after the conversation, and we're just going to keep moving forward, keep working our ass off, and keep building this business, you know, to make a difference for everybody. What's coming from ADHERE for you is it's going to be something special. You're really going to like it a lot. So with that,